Good morning. This is Kenya Williams. Today we have a new polisher that we're going to try out. We've been watching some amazing videos and amazing content. One in particular is Jimbo Balaam. He talks about cheap versus expensive. Instead of me going to buy the new Roops LHR 19, I decided to give this Chicago Electric power tool a try. I heard it was a really good one to pretty much have, and I heard it was light as well, and it was only $52. So we're going to unbox this thing, and we're going to give it a try on this Ford F-250. We've been using our Roops Mark II. We did the top surfaces of the vehicle, the roof and the hood, and we also did the tailgate. But we're going to do the size with this, pretty much this 7-inch back plate and backing plate on this Chicago Electric power tool polisher. So stay tuned. Let's see how it performs. Alright, here it is, guys, the Chicago electric rotary. This thing is pretty nice, actually. It's smooth, it's quiet, it's pretty light too. I'm holding it down in my hand. It's pretty light, but I just want to show you guys the results of what it provided for me on this Ford F-250. The vehicle is pretty bad, a lot of swirls and scratches in it, but this is what the machine was able to do for me, and I am very pleased and impressed. For $52, I can't believe it. You know, nothing against Roops. I like the machines that they produce and provide, but I think I'm gonna see how long this pretty much gonna last me before I buy another one. Before I buy like a Roops or a Flex machine, I'm gonna keep this one. But